works for the concept learning, like it's not based on the rote learning. So specifically when it comes to language, in language every Saturday and Sunday we have a book club. Now these days if you find children reading only the academic textbooks, they are not into the habit of reading fiction, non-fiction, self-learning books, something like that, poetry, yeah, and not even in the habit of writing also. So for example, if you give them a simple question, they'll ask you the first thing, ma'am, what we have to do. So they're not ready to even analyze what the question means to say, not ready to even write it properly. So what we do with the help of normal book reading of their own interest, yeah, for example, so you describe your character in your own words, let's make a Venn diagram of the character, now let's make a story web, now let us do the character impersonation. All these activities we do at the center. Then we teach them how to write the dialogues, how to continue the story, what should be the content of the story, how the line of the story goes up, sequencing, and then how can it comes down. So generally children always talk about कि ma'am twist आएगा. It's not necessary that twist has to come at the end. It can come in the middle of the story as well, है ना. Then how you take up the story ahead. So all these activities are done at Krishna's Conceptual Learning Center, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm Shamim Merchant, an author and a teacher from Mumbai.
Yes.
I've written about 13 books now, and all are child friendly.
Yes.
I've also conducted story writing workshops in many schools, and I've presented my books to many school libraries. So keeping that intention in mind, I'm presenting 10 of my books, which are in English, Hindi and Gujarati. All are child friendly. Some are stories, some are poems, and some are motivational articles. There are novels as well. So I am presenting all my books to Ma'am's Academy for her children's library, and I'm hoping and wishing that the children will gain knowledge and they will look into these books and gain more insights. I strongly believe that story writing is the best way to inculcate values and manners in children. Parents and teachers, lectures don't work so wonders as much as stories work. Stories is the best way, and it will go with them for a lifetime. The values and manners will remain with them for a lifetime. So with that intention in mind, I'm presenting many of my books to Ma'am's Academy.
Thank you so
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And I would love to conduct one online story writing session with her children, maybe sometime in the near future.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Before December.
Before December, sure.
For sure.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.